Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about which two sectors can give you, a reversal sign and which can give you a good movement in this down market, right? अभी war on है, अभी सब कुछ nothing has changed. ना तो war बदली है, ना कोई scenario change हुआ है, but still there are some sectors which are heavily discounted and which are waiting to go up. और ऐसे दो सेक्टर्स मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लग रहे हैं एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड आज हमने गिरते हुए मार्केट में भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त पैसे बनाए हैं। और अगर आपको देखना है कैसे आप मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आ सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं कि हमने मॉर्निंग में ही स्टॉक्स दिए थे। हिंडाल्को दिया था, गेल दिया था, साइन दिया था और एक हमने चौथा स्टॉक दिया था एक्सेल इंडस्ट्रीज का। उसके बाद हमने एंड ऑफ द डे वी गेव द्वारिकेश शुगर व्हिच आल्सो गेव ब्यूटीफुल मूव। सो इट डजेंट मैटर अगर आपकी एनालिसिस अच्छी है तो किस डायरेक्शन में मार्केट है, मगर अगर आपकी एनालिसिस सही है यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड गुड ट्रेड्स। उसके बाद आपको अपना ट्रेड मैनेज करना है, मनी मैनेज करना है, आपको अपना रिस्क रिवॉर्ड मैनेज करना है, राइट? चलते हैं आज के बाद। और प्लीज हैव अ लुक एट माय टेलीग्राम चैनल व्हिच इज स्टॉक प्रो ऑफिशियल एंड जॉइन इट एंड have a look at the performance for few days. So I'm going to come back to and you can also follow me on the YouTube channel which is Stock Pro, and you can go through my website and figure out, in case you need some support. So let's talk about today what happened in the market. So have a look at the market today. Market opened massively gap down, right? Market opened massively gap down और उसके बाद वहां से मार्केट को थोड़ी सी रिकवरी हुई और some freak trades, and after that market again reached to a certain point and then again fell in again. अगर आप लोगों को, अगर कई लोग बहुत परेशान हो जाते हैं इस ऊपर नीचे मार्केट से, बट बहुत लोग बहुत पैसा बनाते हैं, उनको ये वॉलेटिलिटी ही चाहिए होती है मार्केट में, राइट? बहुत लोगों ने यहाँ पे कॉल खरीदा, यहाँ पे पुट खरीदा, बेचा, और यहाँ पे पुट खरीदा, फिर यहाँ पे बेचा, फिर यहाँ कॉल खरीदा, दे मेड गुड अमाउंट। सो डिपेंड करता है कि आप किस तरह का ट्रेड करना पसंद करते हैं। बट एनीवे, हम अपने टॉपिक पे वापस आते हैं कि आज कौन से सेक्टर्स ऐसे लगते हैं जिनमें क्विक रिवर्सल आएगा। तो एक सेक्टर जो मेरे रडार पे है फॉर श्योर, मेटल जो है बिल्कुल करेक्ट नहीं हुआ है। इस डाउन मूव में भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो मेटल करेक्ट नहीं हुआ है। अगर आपको जानना है कि मैंने एक एनालिसिस की थी और मैंने बताया था कि यूक्रेन एंड रशिया की वॉर में विच सेक्टर विल गो अप, एंड हियर आई डिड टॉक अबाउट मेटल सेक्टर which looks very good, and I also told about the CPSC or the oil and gas segment looks very good. And if you have a look at it, even today, in spite of 500 points drop in Nifty, the oil and CPSC has gone really up, right? It's up by almost like 3.5%, and metal has gone up by about 2%. So the sector which looks extremely good to me is IT sector, right? If you just see for 1, 2, 3, like this was a day when it opened gap down on 24th February, the day the war started, and after that it has been just trying to cover up this distance. And if you notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even today the move in the index is very promising. So I have some stocks from IT sector, and the second sector that looks very good to me is the sugar sector. So I have got 2-3 extremely good stocks which you can think of buying or doing any activity that you feel is appropriate for you. So the first stock that looks very good to me, which has been just consolidating for almost like quite some time, and it looks now pretty ready for a breakout, and that stock is Infi. So Infi looks good to buy above 1760, right? बेस्ट अगर आपको एक बिल्कुल श्योर शॉट चीज़ चाहिए तो आप इन्फी की जो पुट है 1700 की पुट, आप उसको सेल कर सकते हैं, राइट? लेट मी जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट इन्फीज 1700 पुट. व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ द 1700 पुट एंड व्हाट मनी कैन यू गेट? सो 37 रुपीज़ अभी इसकी कॉस्ट है, और अगर हम इसको सेल करते हैं तो सेलिंग विल गेट अस अबाउट we need about 85,000 rupees, right? And which is pretty good, decent amount. 37, if we even target about 30 points in it, like we don't look into the entire 37 point. So 9,000 rupees you can generate, or almost like 10% return you can get by the end of this month, right? So that's one stock, and it's the safest thing that you can do, right? Sell the 1700 put, right? I'm not asking you to buy call, right? Because the call premium may be very, very high and your premium may deplete. So that's not my suggestion, but you can buy in cash if you want to buy in fee. So otherwise, if you want to sell, then 1700 put can be easily sold. 1700 put and about 1900 call can be sold, right? The next stock that looks very promising is Coforge. Coforge is also really pulsating to go up, you know, like in this drop on 24th. After that, the stock has given almost lower high every single day, right? Today also, in spite of massive gap down, it opened gap down and almost like engulfed these previous two candles, right? Just read through the price action and you will understand quite a lot of things, right? Here, just have a look at these three candles, rather I would say four candles here, and you will see 1, 2, 3, three candles. This particular candle has engulfed, today's candle has engulfed, and it looks pretty promising above 4700. You can expect it to go till about 4800, 4900, and the easiest for you will be to sell it 4400 put, right? That's going to be the easiest for you. And if you want, you can just put Coforge 4400 put, and I'm sure, let's see what money can be generated from it. 126. If I sell it, I need about 1,92,000 rupees, and the lot size is 100. The return is not going to be as good as it's going to be with in fee. So that was the second stock on my radar. Now there's another stock, like, now this is not from the IT sector, but I have two more stocks which have shown beautiful recovery, and one of them is UPL, United Phosphorus, right? That looks pretty promising as of now where we stand. So this is how the stock is. There is a price reversal from the lower levels, and if it goes above 736, it looks good to buy, right? It looks good for a buy above 736. Our stop loss is going to be about around 680 or 690, and we can expect a move till about 750, and after 750, if it crosses 750, 760, and after 760, there's a little barrier at about 755 and 760. If that is broken, then it can go up to about 780 or so. Then one more stock that looks very good at this point of time is Balakrishna Industries, right? It has shown a beautiful recovery, and I am always buying in the market, right? I don't believe in shorting. Like, I'm eternal bull, right? You can say very die-hard fan of India story. So I will always invest in India, right? I will never think about exiting a stock. So here comes Balakrishna Industries, and you can definitely look for a buy about even today's high. You can look for a buy, right? If it goes about 1830, 1840, you have a good entry. And what can you expect? You can expect, like, you can go for the next month's contract, and you do expect about 100, 200, 300 points move in this particular stock. Now comes the question, which is the second sector that looks good to me. So I will take you to my list of stocks that I have made. You know, like, it doesn't have a sector, but what I have done, I have put all the stocks of sugar sector in one place, right? If you have a look at the sugar sector today, it had a beautiful breakout, right? Whether it's Balrampur Chini or Dhampur Chini or Awadh Sugar or Mawana Sugar or Renuka Sugar or Uttam Sugar, or you talk about Dalmia Sugar, you talk about Dwarkesh Sugar. Almost all the sugar stocks have given a beautiful breakout, and that indicates this particular stock may have a good move in coming days, right? So we have given a buy on two of these stocks from here, Mawana and the Dwarkesh. I'm hoping that you all have made good money. If you've given good money, if made good money, please give a thumbs up and write a comment in the comment box so that more and more people can join our channel and learn about trading in the stock market. So I think with this I'm signing off. So the two sectors that you can keep on radar is IT sector and the sugar sector. And I've given you the stocks, I've given you Infy, I've given you Coforge, UPL, Balakrishna, and in case you want to look at the stocks, we have already given the stocks, we have given Dwarka Sugar, but in case you are still interested, you can go for Awadh Sugar and you can go for Dhampu Sugar. They are looking extremely good to me. So with this I'm signing off, your host Dr. Seema Jain, and see you in live trading. And tomorrow we are conducting, on 8th of March, we are conducting a live webinar with women traders. So see you there and find the link in the description box. Take care, bye bye, see you. In case you don't get the link in the description box, come to my channel which is StockPro Official, and you will find a link, and you'll please share it with all your female friends, the family members and all the relatives. See you there tomorrow. Bye bye, take care, all the best.